Hello everyone, many congratulations on claiming your gift. Trust me, this is going to be a life-changing experience for you. I promise you will thank me once you have experienced it. To get the best out of this session, I need a few commitments from yourself. The first one, please ensure you are at a place with no distraction, because this session is not going to take too much of your time. This session will take only 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Have a tissue paper and a glass of water ready with you, as this experience might make you emotional and bring tear of joy. So I want you to make yourself comfortable. Imagine yourself that you are at a safe place and you can express your emotions, because it's very important that let your emotions flow freely. Even it brings tears, let them come out, because this is a very important part of this process. And a special message to men, because they resist when it comes to express their emotions. So be at a place where you do not hesitate to express your emotions, because as I mentioned that it's very important that your emotions should come out. And last but not the least, that do not leave the session halfway. It's very important that you complete the entire session in one go to have the full impact of this technique. So welcome to this magical experience workshop. This is called a soul cleansing technique. So let me take 5 minutes to give you some background and share something special apart from this magical experience, so that you would understand the background of this whole technique, that how and where this whole technique come from. So this technique was made famous by one of the greatest therapists, Dr. Hew Len. It is well known as Ho'oponopono. So Dr. Hew Len did something extraordinary with this technique. He worked in a mental hospital. The reason I say worked, because he is no more with us. So he was a psychiatrist in a department of violent mental patients who would hurt themselves and others. These patients were usually restrained, covered with the body jacket. They were not giving normal medication, but they were given antidepressant, sleeping tablets, injection, and even electric shocks. So this story is from 20-25 years ago, when effective psychiatric treatments were not available. So Dr. Hew Len joined this mental hospital and took over this department, this mental department where they were, these severe patients were there. So this is a true story, my dear friends. He completely healed all those patients and sent them home in just 6 months. Yes, so not just 1 or 2 patients, the entire department was closed and they all left for home within 6 months. Isn't it crazy, right? So patients who had been stuck in the hospital for years and years were healed in just 6 months, right? And now here is the best part. He did not heal them with any medicine. He did not give them a single pill, injection, or not even any kind of electric shock. And now you must be thinking that he is a great counselor who spoke to them and counseled them, right? But no, he did not even see them once. In fact, when this happened, entire health industry, medical industry was shook that what is this happening? And you can even check this online, you can Google it, it is a true story. Big scientists, researchers started researching if it is really true, and the more research was done, the more people start practicing what Dr. Hew Len did. And the more results start coming out and people start believing that this technique is truly magical. Now let me reveal that how this whole prayer works, or how this whole technique works. So this technique is based on 4 very simple sentences. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I'll repeat. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So these 4 statements seem very simple, but science behind them is super powerful. So let me make you understand this with a very simple example, that everything in this universe is made of energy, and all energy has its own frequency. So these words also have energy and a specific frequency. A scientific research shows that the frequency generated by these wonderful simple words are very humble and beautiful. And these simple words can heal anyone. So this powerful technique called Ho'oponopono. Now how you can do it in a simple way? You can do it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, 55 times. So 55 times in the morning and 55 times in the evening. And if you find it difficult, I have a video on YouTube. You can just follow along with that YouTube video. So during the day, if you have any negative feeling about any person or a situation, just imagine that person or a situation in front of you in your mind and simply chant these beautiful words. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. And trust me, you will see amazing result after practicing this for just 21 days. It will not only heal you, but the person as well. And if you are doing it for a situation, it might possible that that situation might turn in your favor. So now we are going to practice advanced Ho'oponopono technique for cleansing our soul. So the science behind it is that we came into this world through our parents. So it is very important that we cleanse our feeling with them to heal our childhood or inner traumas. So what are you waiting for? Be ready for this magical experience. Gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Relaxed. Just relaxed. Visualize the presence of your mother and yourself in your mind. Imagine your mother standing in front of you. See her face, her eyes. Now gently repeat these Ho'oponopono phrases. I'm sorry, Mama, for any pain I may have caused you. I'm sorry, Mama, for the times I did not understand you fully. I'm sorry, Mama, for my words that may have hurt you. I'm sorry, Mama, for finding faults in you. I'm sorry, Mama, for judging you, for blaming you for my miseries. I'm sorry, Mama, for my bad behavior. Please forgive me, Mama, for the times I may not have lived up to your expectations. Please forgive me, Mama, for any pain that my actions may have caused you. Please forgive me, Mama, for any conflicts that may have strained our relationship. Please forgive me, Mama, if I made you feel unappreciated. Please forgive me, Mama, for the moments where I failed to express my love and gratitude. Please forgive me, Mama, for my shortcomings. Thank you, Mama, for your unconditional love and care. Thank you so much, Mama, for doing so much entire life of our life. Thank you so much, Mama, for doing so much in your entire life for our family. Thank you so much, Mama, for forgiving me so quickly every time. Thank you, Mama, for keeping our needs on priority before your needs. Thank you so much, Mama, for being part of my life and teaching me valuable lessons. I love you, Mama. I love you unconditionally with all my heart and soul. Continue to repeat these phrases, focusing on the love and healing energy flowing from your heart to the image of your mother. Imagine the negative energy dissolving and a warm, healing light surrounding both of you. Feel the connection and love between you and your mother growing stronger and more harmonious. Let go. Let go. Let go of any resentments, anger, or pain as they no longer serve you. Now visualize the sense of peace, understanding, and love enveloping your relationship. Now visualize the presence of your father in your mind. Imagine that your father is standing in front of you. Now gently repeat, "I'm sorry, Papa, for judging you so much. I'm sorry, Papa, for my negative feelings and thoughts for you. I'm sorry, Papa, for not spending enough time with you. I'm sorry, Papa, for not understanding what all you have went through to carry the responsibility of our family. I'm sorry, Papa, for finding faults in you. Please forgive me, Papa, for my bad behavior. Please forgive me, Papa, for blaming you for my problems. I'm sorry, Papa, for not appreciating you enough. Please forgive me, Papa, for not expressing enough love for you. Please forgive me, Papa, for times I did not live up to your expectations. Thank you, Papa, for doing your best for me and our family. Thank you, Papa, for your unconditional love. Thank you, Papa, for forgive me so easily every time. Thank you, Papa, for working so hard to give us a good life. I love you, Papa, for teaching me valuable lessons that I needed to learn. I love you, Papa, for raising me so well. I love you, Papa, for doing your best that was possible for me and our family. I love you, Papa, for the good values I have taken from you. I love you, Papa. I love you unconditionally with all my heart and soul. Continue to repeat these phrases, focusing the love and healing energy flowing from your heart to the image of your Father. Imagine the negative energy is dissolving and a warm, healing light surrounding both of you. Feel the connection and love between you and your Father growing stronger and stronger. Just let go. Let go of any resentments, anger, or pain as they no longer serve you. Now visualize a sense of peace, understanding, and love enveloping your relationship. Stay there for a moment. Take a breath slowly. And when you are ready, take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. So, how was your experience? I'm sure you're feeling lighter and experiencing amazing emotions after this session. If this has truly given you the best experience and made you feel better, I kindly request you to share your experience with me. So let me tell you that your feedbacks are super important for me. It will not only motivate me to continue my mission, but also help creating powerful social proof that can inspire other people to experience this magical journey. So looking forward to hearing your transformation stories.